Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. So festive season is fast approaching and that means lots of decluttering, cleaning, decorating and redecorating. Now, what if I tell you this festive season you can decorate your home on a shoestring budget? How? Let me share the secret. In this video I'm going to share what are the decor accessories that I usually use for festive home makeover, and also I'm going to link all these products in the description box below, so don't forget to check out. And the good news is that Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale is here and you can get your hands on all the products that you are eyeing or that are on your wish list. So happy shopping. It's from 16th October to 21st October. Don't forget to check out. Now let's begin. First in this list is this beautiful Buddha figurine. Buddha never fails to add an element of calm and zen. So during festive chaos, bring in some tranquility by adding this serene Buddha figurine to your decor. I always do that. Next up is this wall sticker. Wall decals are the best option to give an instant makeover to the walls and lift the mood of your space. Also, this is a budget-friendly way to give your home a festive makeover. When I want to change the look of the walls quickly, I use wall stickers. Next on the list is this painting. So paintings can certainly add a lot of character and personality to your space. Vibrant colors of painting will definitely fill your space with positive energy. You can find this beautiful print on MDF on Flipkart and it's on sale. What's a festival without tiny warm twinkling lights? This yellow rice light is also on Flipkart's Big Billion Day sale. So it's the right time. You can get this lovely light to add that perfect festive touch to your home. Also, it's selling like a hot cake. Lighting Akhand Diya is a part of Indian tradition. Light in the lamp symbolizes knowledge, and it is said that when we are lit by self-knowledge, the ego and the negativity fade away. So you can gift this diya to yourself or to your loved ones to bring some light in their lives. Now let's come to the furnishings. In a bedroom, changing just the bed sheet can change the entire look and feel of the bedroom. And if you wish to add some festive colors to your space, then this beautiful bed sheet with lovely colors and patterns is available on discount during Big Billion Day sale. Next in furnishings come the curtains. Either it's your bedroom or living room, changing the curtains always do the trick and transforms the place. And what a joy it is to be able to do it on a budget. So why to wait? So I really hope that this video was useful. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description. And that's all for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye. Wish you all love, luck and sunshine.